What's going on, low budget family? Happy New Year's. Hope everybody had a good New Year's. We back 2021. We about to get on the ZX10. Gonna put the ignition back in and we might hear the thing run. I don't know. We about to check it out and find out. So let's get to it and try to get it all together. Yeah, let's move this bike out the corner because it's in the corner. Got to move it out the way, and then we can move the Harley over there so we can work. So let's get to it. Move it out the way, and let's get to work. Just like that, move the bikes around, and let me get the tools so we can get to it. All right, guys, here's the new ignition. We about to put it on. All right, around the ignition with the plug. And we just gotta slide it right up. Slide it in between here. Boom, boom. Just like that. Slide it up in between there. Route the wire up underneath to the other connector on the other side. Let me bring that back once I hook it up to this connector on this side. Whoops, sorry. To the connector on this side here. Bring y'all right back. Alright. I done routed it up underneath the frame. There we go. gonna just connect it together. Just like that. Snap, crackle, pop. Now we just gotta bolt it in. And we got our new ignition in the bike. Let me screw it all in, tighten it down. And hey, we might get a first sound out of this thing. Bring y'all right back. Alright guys, kind of taking off the clutch lever. The line was getting in my way, so take off the clutch lever so I can finish getting this thing bolted up in there. You know, it's always something. You think it go back on easy and it's something that block you up, but let's get to it. Man, after a little bit of fighting, we finally got the ignition on there, nice and tight. We're gonna have to get new levers. This lever here is broke, and the bottom piece on it is all jacked up, so we're gonna have to get new levers for this thing. Now we're going to take this front stay off because we actually got a new one sitting over here. New front stay piece. Swap that thing out. It's all stuck in there. Oh, taped up. Let me get it out of here. Alright, finally wrestled it out the bag. And as you can see, the left side is broke on there, so we're gonna swap it out. Put the new one on. Let's get to it. Get it together. Try to remember the order that this goes on. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Alright. Boom, boom. Take that one off. Put the new one on. And tighten them. Make sure everything is lined up correctly. Then tighten everything down. Alrighty. Bring y'all over here. We done got the new front stay on there. I'm gonna put the new ignition on there. Alright. This thing here is for the trash. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. Good. I didn't hear no fuel pump. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. Oh, sound like the battery's dead. Yep. Sound like the battery's dead. So let me get the charger. Throw this thing on the charge and see what happens. Get that charger so I can charge it up. And we bring y'all right back. Alright guys, we done popped the tank up. Now we're gonna try to check the air filter. See what the air filter looking like. I'm pretty sure it probably gonna be needing to be changed. My first time working on a ZX10. So if I'm doing anything wrong, leave a comment. Let me know. There's an easier way. I mean, I have my finger in the way. Trying to hold the phone and work at the same time. Well, let me get to unscrewing the rest of this stuff so we can check this air filter out. I'm gonna bring y'all right back. Got the air filter out. It don't look that bad, just a little bit. Caving in pretty much. Could be cleaned out. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning, clean all that up. But got a K&N filter on it, so we're gonna clean it. Like we might just buy a new one, but I'll probably clean it, see how much it costs for the recharge kit for it. Clean it up. And then we're gonna proceed with this. She's alive. Yeah. All right. Primed up. Yeah, it's flashing red. I'm guessing has one of those anti-start with a code on it. So we're going to have to get a new gauge. And find out what check codes it got on there. But comment, like, and subscribe. We're going to end this video out. Happy New Year's once again. And we're going to see y'all on the next one. Peace.